Here we're doing a front crank seal on a VZ Adventra, Alloytec V6, Holden Commodore, same thing. So I've got to start filming before I started pulling it apart. I've just popped the top cover off, pulled the fans out, the intake pipe from the airbox, dropped both belts off. We've got a harmonic balancer puller on there and just about got the balancer off. We'll pull the balancer off and we'll come back. So pop that balancer off there. As you can see, it's weighing quite considerably. Looks like there may be a little bit coming from solenoids as well. That may be old oil. I do believe I have replaced those on this before. It's quite wet. So hopefully the new seal will sort out the oil leak, because it was leaking quite profusely. With the old seals out, it was not fun to get out. It was baked in there. I'll clean it up, clean any marks up on the end of the crank, and we'll refit it. Back in a minute. So I've skipped ahead a little bit, it's all back together. Can't really focus in there too well. Drips be gone.